So in last video we were discussing about the unequal contribution of atomic orbitals towards the formation of molecular orbitals in heteronuclear diatomic molecule. And first of all, I told you in homonuclear diatomic molecule, according to linear combination of atomic orbitals, the wave function of bonding molecular orbital psi b, it is equal to nb, that is constant, normalizing constant for bonding molecular orbital, into psi a plus psi b, and for anti-bonding molecular orbital wave function it is given by, so psi a it is equal to Na, that is normalizing constant for anti-bonding molecular orbital, into psi a minus psi b. And psi a and psi b, these are the wave functions of atomic orbitals of A and wave function of atomic orbital of B. And from these two relations, it is clear that the atomic orbital of A and B equally contribute towards the formation of bonding molecular orbital as well as anti-bonding molecular orbital. And this is for homonuclear diatomic molecule. Now consider the heteronuclear diatomic molecule AB, with B is more electronegative than A. Now in this heteronuclear diatomic molecule, as you know that the atomic orbitals of more electronegative atom B has less energy, hence they are more stable than the atomic orbitals of A, because A is less electronegative. And already you know that the atom with higher or greater electron negativity has atomic orbital with less energy, and atom with less electronegativity is having little bit higher energy of atomic orbitals. So summary of this point is, the atomic orbitals of B have less energy than the atomic orbitals of A, and because of this the atomic orbitals of B, they are more stable than the atomic orbitals of A. Now according to linear combination of atomic orbital principle, LCO principle, the wave function for bonding molecular orbital, it is equal to x into psi a plus y into psi b, where x and y, these are the coefficients, and y is greater than x. Y is greater than x. If y is greater than x, then it is clear that in bonding molecular orbital, in the process of formation of bonding molecular orbital, the atomic orbital of B contributes more, because y is more greater than x. So bonding molecule, in bonding molecular orbital, atomic orbitals of B, that is more electronegative atom, contribute more as compared to the contribution of atomic orbitals of A, that is less electronegative atom. For antibonding molecular orbital, the expression is psi a, that is wave function of antibonding molecular orbital, it is equal to y into psi a minus x into psi b. This relation again clears that the atomic orbitals of B have less contribution in the antibonding molecular orbital, whereas atomic orbitals of A, that is less electronegative atom, is having greater contribution in antibonding molecular orbital. So here x and y, already I told you, these are the coefficients showing the contribution towards molecular orbital, and y is greater than x. Now these two relations clear that the atomic orbitals of more electronegative atom contribute more in bonding molecular orbital, and atomic orbitals of more electronegative atom contributes less in the formation of antibonding molecular orbital. On the other hand, the atomic orbitals of A, that is less electronegative atom, contribute less in the formation of bonding molecular orbital and contribute more in the formation of anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So this is about the contribution of atomic orbitals in the formation of bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbital. And here you keep in mind the more electronegative atom contributes more in the formation of bonding molecular orbital and less in the formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now next important point or next important effect of difference in electronegativity of combining atoms of heteronuclear diatomic molecule is the reduced covalent bond energy in heteronuclear diatomic molecules. So next point is reduced covalent bond energy. It is denoted by delta EC. Now what is covalent bond energy? It is the difference between bonding molecular orbital and most stable combining atomic orbital. So this difference, it is called as covalent bond energy. Actually definition of covalent bond is different, but here we are considering the definition of covalent bond energy in terms of the concept of molecular orbital theory. And you know, in molecular orbital theory, atomic orbitals combine and there is a formation of molecular orbitals. And meaning of covalent bond energy is the energy difference between bonding molecular orbital and most stable combining atomic orbital. Most stable means atomic orbital having comparatively less energy. That is the most stable atomic orbital. Now first of all, consider the homonuclear diatomic molecule, and you know that from bottom to top energy increases in molecular orbital diagram. To the left side atomic orbital of A are shown, to the right side atomic orbital of A are represented. At the center molecular orbitals of A2, that is homonuclear diatomic molecule, are represented. In phase combination between two atomic orbitals forms the bonding molecular orbital. Out of phase combination results in the formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now here important thing is, as both the atoms are same, that is AA, combining atoms are same, the atomic orbitals contributed by these two combining atoms have equal energy. So both the atomic orbitals have equal energy, and you know that the bonding molecular orbital has less energy as compared to the energy of combining atomic orbitals. Now consider this is the energy level of most stable combining atomic orbital. Now both the orbitals have equal energy, and therefore this line, this is the energy of or lowest energy of combining atomic orbital, and this is the energy of bonding molecular orbital. And the energy difference between less stable combining atomic orbital and the bonding molecular orbital, this energy difference, it is nothing but the covalent bond energy, and it is denoted by delta EC, and this is for homonuclear diatomic molecule. Now consider the heteronuclear diatomic molecule AB with atom B is more electronegative than A. Again, this is the typical molecular orbital diagram for heteronuclear diatomic molecule. To the left side atomic orbitals of less electronegative atom are shown. To the right side atomic orbitals of more electronegative atom B are represented, and at the center there are molecular orbital. So this is the bonding molecular orbital and this is the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Here important point is, in case of heteronuclear diatomic molecule, the atomic orbital of more electronegative atom, that is B, is having slightly less energy as compared to the energy of atomic orbital of less electronegative atom A. Now there is a difference in energy of the atomic orbitals contributed by both the atoms, and on the actually fact is the energy of atomic orbital of more electronegative atom, it is less and it is closer to the energy of bonding molecular orbital. And this atomic orbital, that is the atomic orbital of more electronegative atom, is having less energy and it is stable, comparatively most stable, and this is the energy of atomic orbital of stable atomic orbital, and this is the energy of bonding molecular orbital. And the energy difference between energy difference between bonding molecular orbital and most stable atomic orbital, it is the covalent bond energy. Now from these two molecular orbital diagram, it is clear that in case of heteronuclear diatomic molecule, the covalent bond energy is less than that in homonuclear diatomic molecules. Now again you consider next molecule, heteronuclear diatomic molecule, where B is having still greater electronegativity. Now when the electronegativity of B increases, the energy of atomic orbital contributed by that particular atom still or further decreases, and therefore the energy difference between the bonding molecular orbital and the most stable atomic orbital still decreases. And therefore the fact is, or important point is, in case of homonuclear diatomic molecule A2, the covalent bond energy is maximum, whereas in case of heteronuclear diatomic molecule, covalent bond energy, it is less, and there is a decrease in covalent bond energy in heteronuclear diatomic molecule with the increase in electronegativity difference. In heteronuclear diatomic molecule, say AB, the covalent bond energy reduces with increase in electronegativity of atom B. So this is very important point, that is there is a reduction in covalent bond energy in heteronuclear diatomic molecule. So in case of heteronuclear diatomic molecule AB, as the electronegativity difference between A and B increases, covalent bond energy decreases. It means covalent characters becomes less and less, or covalent characters decreases. At the same time, ionic characters increases. Why ionic character increases? There are two reasons. One thing is covalent bond energy decreases, meaning of this is ionic character increases, it is obvious. In another way, already I told you, or we discussed, in heteronuclear diatomic molecule, because of electronegativity difference, more electronegative atom attract electron density towards itself, and there is a unequal electron distribution between two nuclei. This also supports with the increase in electronegativity difference, there is a introduction of ionic character. So unequal distribution of electronic cloud means what? There is a separation of electronic charge, not complete separation, but there is a one nuclei is having more electronic cloud surrounded by more electrons, and whereas other nucleus, especially nucleus of less electronegative atom, it is surrounded by comparatively less number of electrons, and this is the indication of introduction of ionic characters in covalent bond. And due to introduction of ionic characters in covalent bond in case of heteronuclear diatomic molecules, the bond between AB, it is more stronger than bond between AA. That is the bond in heteronuclear diatomic molecule, it is stronger than the bond in homonuclear diatomic molecule. In this way, in this video lecture, we completed the three important facts or effects of electronegativity difference in heteronuclear diatomic molecules.